This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. We have an LG dishwasher, here's the model number, that has no power. So we have no indicator lights, no noises, no nothing. We've confirmed that it's plugged in. We've confirmed that the circuit breaker is active. So the suspicion is that this thing, the noise filter, which lives in the lower right-hand side of the dishwasher on its side, is the culprit. And we're going to remove the dishwasher. We'll remove these two Phillips head screws at the top, and we're going to disconnect the water, disconnect the drain line, and we're going to wiggle it out. And on the right hand side down near the bottom, we're going to find this noise filter. So we disconnect everything, and we're just going to remove one little Phillips head screw that's holding it in, and then we're going to remove two modular connectors. We're going to remove this panel too, so we can take the feet and raise them up so we can get the dishwasher out. And then here's what the noise filter looks like. Here's the back of it. That's where the screw comes through. So you have to get to this from the front, and there's two modular connectors on the front that you disconnect. You put the new one in and then should have power. So this thing has a fuse on it, and if it gets too much of a voltage spike, it'll blow the fuse, and that can create this problem where you get no noise and no lights because there's no power coming to it. Pretty easy to do. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.